Welcome back to my channel. You're watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI and online tools easy to understand. So if you are using a Samsung phone, you probably have features that many iPhone users wish they had. In this video, I will show you some Samsung features that make everyday life easier. Watch until the end because the last feature is one of the most useful. Everything I will show you is built into Samsung phones and I will demonstrate each one step by step. The first feature that many iPhone users wish they had on their phone is how to circle to search on a Samsung phone. What do I mean by this? How can you do this is to hold the home button or your navigation bar or on your supported devices. It depends on the Samsung phone you are using. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you now. So I'm going to click this home button now and show you what I mean by circle to search. Now you can see I'm going to circle anything now that I know that I can circle. You can see that I already searched about it without leaving the setting. So it's expected that users don't need to switch apps to search, so that Google just instantly identify whatever I circle. These are one of the features that iPhone users wish they had. The second feature is how to turn on your edge panel on your Samsung phone. How can you do that? Is by going to your display. Once you get to your display, you go to your edge panel. You can see mine is off, so you turn it on. The purpose of this edge panel is just to allow you to access apps and tools instantly without you returning to the home screen. That is, maybe you are in an app and you wanted to use another app. All you just have to do is just tap on the left hand side of your phone, and it's going to bring the apps you want to go to, or the right hand side. So how can you set this to the left or the right hand side? Is by clicking on the handle. Then you can see it, the left and the right. So it depends on the option you wish. So I'm going to put mine in the left. So that is it. So, and let me show you how you can do this without you. So for example, now I want to go to another app. What I just have to do is just click. You can see what I just did. So this is how you can use the edge panel, and it's very useful. You don't have to get out from the app you are using at the app moment. You just have to just tap on the left hand side of your phone, and it's going to bring the app you want to use. And you can also add the apps which you want to add. Three is how to use your screen mode. The purpose of the screen mode is to make your phone like this, the brightness of your phone to be either natural depending on the color you wish to have on it. So how can you do this is by heading to your display. After tapping on your display, you're going to see your screen mode. So you can see this is vivid, this is natural. So it depends on this what you want how your screen to look like. So if I put this in natural now, you can see that the color has changed. It looks like the color has faded. And if I put this in vivid, you can see that the color of the wallpaper looks more deep. So this is for the color of your phone, how you want it to look like. So these are one of the features iPhone users wish they had. Number 4 is how to erase an object. How can you do that? Is to head to your gallery. So I will show you how you can erase an object, no matter what the object might stand for. How you can erase it using just your Samsung phone. These are one of the features that iPhone users cannot do. So I'm going to remove someone between these two now, so you can see what I'm trying to see. So I'm going to tap on edit, then I'm going to click on object eraser, right? So I click on object eraser, so I'm going to circle what I want to do, maybe what I want to circle. So I'm going to circle this person now. Okay, since it's not circling enough. Alright, now you will see what I'm saying right now. So you can see what I just did. So that is how you can erase an object using your Samsung phone. Then I'm going to click on done now. You can see what I just did. I already erased the woman that is standing beside the man. So this is how you can erase an object using your Samsung features, using your Samsung phone. Number 5 feature is how to hide apps from your home screen. Maybe you are doing something very important on one of your apps and you don't want people or anybody to see what you are doing. It's very private. You can just hide the app from your home screen without nobody noticing. How can you do that? Is to head to your home screen. Then after clicking on your home screen, then you tap on hide apps on home and app screens. So before I do that, I'm going to show you what I will be hiding right now. As you can see, this is my calendar and this is my clock. So I'm hiding this clock and calendar right now, right? So I'm going to head back to my setting now, then hide apps. Then I'm going to search for my clock. Click on it, done. Then I'm going to search on my okay, I said I'll be on calendar, right? And my calendar. So then press done. So let's check it again. Maybe this, you can see that where is the clock and the calendar. You can see that it's no more on the home screen. So this is how you can hide one of your important apps on your Samsung phone. Feature which is number 6 is how to link your phone to your window. That is, Samsung users can view notifications. Like I'm a Samsung user, I can view notification, messages, photos, and even control apps from a window PC just by linking my phone to Windows. So how can you do that? You go to your tap on connected device, then you look for link to Windows. That's it. So you can see that screen recording detected. We have detected screen and activity recording to help protect your privacy. Setup cannot continue right now. So because I'm on screen recording, right, I won't be able to do that. So you can link your phone to your window and be able to do whatever you want to do without no disruption, without the window, without the PC not affecting your phone and your phone not affecting the PC. The last but not the least features I will start with the ad is Samsung Dex. So how can you do this Samsung Dex? Is by tapping on connected device, then you tap on Samsung Dex. You can see it. For desktop experience, connect to a nearby display. Wired connection offer the best performance. Connecting a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to your phone can make the experience even more powerful. So if I tap on connect wires, let's see now it's going to connect. So this is going to give your phone like a desktop-like interface for productivity. And it's even good and very fast if you are connecting it with a Samsung PC or Samsung desktop. It's going to make it faster. You'll be using your phone like it's going to serve like the desktop itself without you stressing yourself. You can even use it like a mouse. Those are Samsung features that make everyday life easier and show just how powerful Galaxy phones really are. Which features impress you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe to support this upcoming channel. Please make sure you subscribe because I post videos like this every week to help you get the most out of your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. AI Nation.